In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this instancing art render image in 6 minutes. Let's create a cube. In edit mode, let's extrude the top face multiple times like this. S and Y to scale in the Y axis. Let's create a UV sphere. We need to rotate it and scale it like this. Select the cube and shift select the UV sphere. Ctrl P to parent it. We can have this effect once we enable the faces instancing on the UV sphere. We can freely modify the shape of the instanced meshes by changing the shape of the original cube mesh. Try scaling, rotating, or moving the source mesh to get the best results. If we subdivide the sphere, we'll get more instances due to the mesh's multiplied face counts. Ctrl 1 or 2 to reduce the total number of meshes. I'll render the scene in this angle. Select the sphere and Ctrl A to make instances real. Type M to put them into a new collection. We can remove the original mesh. Let's adjust the camera's focal length. Moving the camera forward or backward will create an abstract angled look of the meshes. We're not going to need the meshes that are placed behind the camera. Let's remove them. It takes time even to delete, because of the excessive geometry count. Let's add a point light and apply a yellow color. I'll move the light away from the camera. Let's press Shift-D to duplicate the light, and apply a different color. One more time. I'll lower the last light's strength to half. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.